following the second release on social media by a group which claimed to be the GNLA regrouped. The NPP legislator and cabinet minister Rakkam Sangma said that the intelligence and police are doing their job and they are well equipped to take up challenges. Further, Sangma has denied that unemployment is the root cause of militancy in Meghalaya. Talking to media person, Sangma said that the state government has taken up various initiatives for the youth of the state and unemployment is no more the cause of militancy.
But I don't know how true it is, but our police our diligence is doing the due process and we are yet to identify, but we are well equipped enough. But no, I don't agree. Yes, there's an issue of unemployment, but in view of the unemployment, the going to the militants is not the solution. It's not the answer for them. So I don't think so. This is not the root cause of the issue. We have lots of programs. CM Elevate, Yes program, Yes Meghalaya, Prime program, Skill Meghalaya. There are many programs that have been launched by the Honorable Chief Minister for the youth of our state.